Hi kids, today we're going to talk about drugs. What a roller coaster it's been. We've had lots of things to discuss like smoking and alcohol. Now it's the turn of drugs. Okay, our learning outcomes for today is we have to learn to define a drug and to describe the general effects of painkillers, hallucinogens, stimulants and depressants. So, off we go. So firstly, let's have a little look at what a drug is. You can pause the video and you can see if you know the answer already. Okay, we're back in the room. So what is a drug? Now when I say the word drug, everyone thinks of bad things, but actually it's quite simple, the definition of a drug. A drug, oh please wait, a drug is a substance that changes the way the body works. So it doesn't say it's a bad thing, it doesn't say it's a good thing, it's just a substance that changes the way the body works. Okay, these drugs, okay, can affect our neurotransmitters. Remember, the neurotransmitters are the chemicals that are in the synapse, and drugs can affect this. If drugs affect the neurotransmitters, it can affect the speed of the impulse. So here is a picture of some common drugs. Oh yes, they are. They may not look like they're drugs, but they are. Look, there's a cup of tea. We've got maybe a glass of Coke there, and we've got our usual medicinal drugs here. So, different types of drugs. Let's whiz up to the top here. It mentions narcotic here, and I'm not quite sure why. If we're in CSI, we call narcotics covers the umbrella in America for every type of drug. But really and truly, a narcotic is a drug that makes us feel sleepy. The first one to focus on are painkillers. All right, so painkillers are substances that block the transmission of pain responses via neurons to the brain. So it blocks the transmission of pain responses via neurons to the brain. Examples here would be morphine and aspirin. Morphine is a very strong painkiller. Okay. Hallucinogens, yes, hallucinogens are substances that distort the sense of perception. So if you start seeing a pirate sitting on your wheelie bin, it's likely you have taken hallucinogen. Stimulants, all right, stimulants is quite an easy one to remember, but people forget that it's actually to do with the speed of transmission of the impulse, and stimulants increase the speed of transmission of the impulse. Okay. Examples would be caffeine, your humble cup of coffee or tea or even chocolate. Okay, these things are stimulants. We would also have things like ecstasy in this bracket. Depressants. This is nothing to do with moods, people. All we're talking about is substance that slows down the activity of the neurons in the brain. So depressants would be alcohol. Okay, you've got one there. Now then, what else have we got here? There's a little bit of text here that talks about things being illegal and addictive, which you can whiz through. But I tell you what, let's play a little game. Okay, so I'm going to play this game and hopefully I'm going to get it right. Let's pick on the first one, aspirin. Think about where you might put it. I'm going to put it here. It is a painkiller. Let's have a look at another painkiller that might be round here. Morphine. Morphine is a painkiller they often use in hospitals. It's from a poppy. It's the same poppy that makes, where are you, heroin. Heroin and morphine are very, very similar. Okay, but heroin I'm going to put over here. LSD, Lucy in the Sky and Diamonds, look it up if you want to, is what we call a hallucinogen. Okay, we have, what else have we got? Caffeine. Can you remember where caffeine might go? Ooh. Yep, it's going to go in the stimulants box. We also have nicotine. Nicotine is also classed as a stimulant. Let's remember I mentioned ecstasy. Ecstasy will go in the stimulants box. Okay, and so would cocaine. So we can say most of our drugs are stimulants. Alcohol is a depressant. It slows down nervous transmission. I'm going to put it there. And I'm also going to put cannabis over here. Oh, have I got any wrong? No. Thank goodness for that, kids, because I am your teacher. All right, complete the worksheets and see how you go. Have a good half term. Bye.